This is my Aldi bike light. 30 bucks. Here we go. What have we got here? We've got ultra bright 1000 lumens, claimed 3 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours for the light. So it's actually in a nice little case, my receipt, in case you want to take advantage of the 60-day generous return policy. Pretty detailed brochure there. That's basically what you get. So little rubber bands, headlight mount, USB charge cable, two different types of handlebar mounts, rear light and the front light. So headlight mount, a couple of different rubber grommets. This is a handlebar mount that does rotate. Little rubberized non-slip grip there. Okay, micro USB there. And 90-degree offset handlebar mount. That's the rear light, flash. Lasts for 6 hours like that. Oh, sorry, 25 hours like that, I'm sorry. Press and hold, and this little bad boy. Press and hold to stop that, and take the rear casing off. You can see the micro USB charge point there, and hidden in back there is an 18650 battery. I don't know if I can pull that out, but if I can, I will and show you. Okay, so that's the reflector, and looks like a Cree globe there. I can slide the whole thing out, maybe. Doesn't really want to come, and I don't really want to force it, probably because of the on-off switch, which would protrude through. But it most certainly looks like an 18650 battery. So the length of this light, in terms of how long it will last, essentially will be determined by the quality of that lithium 18650 battery. So the big problem with a lot of products on eBay at the moment is that the product is good, but the battery is rubbish. So you only get a couple of months out of them. Anyway, take it for a ride, see how we go. G'day, 4:30, 29th of April. This is a bit of an impromptu test in the magnificent Glenrock State Reserve of a Aldi 1000 lumen, or so claimed, bike torch. So it's certainly got the goods during the day and riding around the street at night, but I thought I'll give this a bit of a nudge at night and see how it goes. Clips in, very easy to use, pretty standard these days, a rubber band clip device. Also comes with a little rechargeable, they're all lithium. Press once, press twice, a bit dimmer, press 3 times, strobe, again, rubber clip release, very clever design, press and hold to turn off. Same as this one, you have bright, less bright, slow strobe, and just keeps recycling through. You have to press and hold to turn it off. Just on dusk, not quite dark enough to need a light, but put it on, very visible. That's on high. Pretty impressed so far. Oh. Probably better concentrate through here. I don't really want to die. And time for some more hills. It's actually the worst time of night to ride because its contrast is poor, shade I should say, dusk, hard to see. So having a light like this really throws a bit of contrast out. Really impressed with it so far. Next test we'll see to be how it compares to the Cree XML T5 that is my standard light for this sort of riding at night. eBay rates it at 1800 lumens, the Chinese one, the XML T5, but I'm told reliably they only put out 950.
so it's on par with this. Right, a little bit later, it's without lights. A little bit hard to see. So basically the statistics on this light are that it takes about 4 or so hours to charge. It's got a rated output of 1000 lumens on high. It's micro USB charged. On high it lasts, on paper it lasts 3 hours. By the stopwatch it lasts for about 2 hours 45. And on low, which I don't know what lumen rating that is, it lasts 5 hours plus. So the build quality is exceptional. It's all aircraft grade machined aluminium. And on the handlebar there, it throws up a bit too much shadow, so it's probably going to be better to go with my normal combination of a headlight torch as well as a handlebar light, because I just, even though I know these tracks very well, I just don't feel entirely safe. Now, the little red lights come on, which means it's about a third of the way through its life. Now I've been using this on and off all week, so that's basically a battery life indicator. It's getting pretty dark out here, so let's pop this on. There we go. A guy just went past me before with no lights on. I think, well, you can do it if you know the tracks really well, but I suppose I do, but even then, it is nice to see where you're going. It's not quite properly dark yet. It's pretty close. So obviously that's with no lights on. I'll pop this on high. Massive difference. And even at a pinch, if you needed to go on low beam for a bit, that's low beam. It's almost near as makes no difference actually. Oh, that's flash for when you want to have an accident. And that's back on high beam. So what I really like about this torch is the mounting system. It's super simple. If you're worried about theft, you can just clip it off, throw it in your pocket. It hasn't moved since I've been on the track for the last 20 odd Ks. And it's that's a really big plus with lights these days. So I think finally Aldi must have made a winner. Ah, back in the real world. There's always a bit of claret riding.